Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help prevent any damage to the components during the repair process. First, power down your HP Victus 16 and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the screws located at the back of the laptop using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws organized, as they will be needed for reassembly later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the casing. After removing the back cover, take a moment to clean any dust or debris you find inside. This not only improves airflow but can also enhance the performance of your laptop. Next, you will need to locate the motherboard. Identify the screws that secure the motherboard in place. Typically, there are several screws that you will need to remove. Remember to keep track of which screws go where, as this will simplify reassembly. After removing the screws, carefully disconnect any cables attached to the motherboard. If you're unsure about the connections, take a picture for reference. Once everything is disconnected, gently lift the motherboard out of the chassis. At this point, if you suspect damage to the motherboard, we recommend a professional diagnosis without obligation. This can save you time and ensure the problem is accurately identified. If you choose to proceed with the repair, inspect the motherboard for any visible signs of damage, such as burnt components or broken traces. If any components need replacing, make sure to use parts that are compatible with the HP Victus 16. If you don't have the tools to make these replacements, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means you can avoid any hassle of traveling or making calls to schedule a repair. Once any necessary repairs are made, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the motherboard back into the chassis and reconnect all cables. Ensure that everything is securely attached before proceeding to the next step. Now, replace the screws that hold the motherboard in place. Be sure to tighten them, but avoid over-tightening, as this could cause damage. After securing the motherboard, reattach the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Finally, replace the screws on the back cover. Once all screws are in place, power on your HP Victus 16 to test the repair. If everything functions correctly, congratulations! You have successfully repaired your laptop. If at any point you encounter difficulties or need a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out to our services for assistance. We ensure a hassle-free experience with no calls and no travel required. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.